Well, the roads are clear of snow and ice for now. Tonight, a nationwide salt shortage is putting added pressure on road crews to keep us all safe.
Sure, and as 9 on your side reporter Mario Ramirez shows us, Cincinnati crews forced to take a different approach this season.
From the salt you buy at home for your driveway to the salt you'll soon see on the roads, this shortage is affecting you. Cincinnati Public Works already hitting the pavement, announcing it's adding 14 new trucks to help treat these roads.
The harsh conditions they operate in, the corrosive materials that they handle, so we've got rust to contend with. So it's probably the biggest challenge is keeping the older trucks up and running.
Crews are taking a different approach, planning to use more liquids this year like brine and calcium chloride. They also plan to incorporate organic alternatives like beet juice, for instance. The city is now taking a look at snow routes and plans to tweak things to get the most efficiency on the roads.
We've identified some more segments that we may have missed in the past. We're always trying to do better and redo our routes in the summer.
Depending where you drive, the plan may be different. Claremont County, for instance, has 2 brand new salt trucks this year, and it plans on using 100% pure salt this winter.
So far, we've secured 7,500 ton.
That's more than what's expected to be used. On average, the county goes through about 6,000 tons each winter. Butler County and Westchester have already started laying brine on the roads. And if you think the nationwide salt shortage won't affect you, think again. I checked with local suppliers and they tell me if you're heading to the store to buy salt, you can expect to pay an average of $1 more this year than you did last year. Mario Ramirez, 9 on your side, Camp Washington.